যাতে ওই জায়গায় না থাকে। 4টা টিমে আমার 4টা টিমে কেউ ওই জায়গায় বসবে না, সব এদিকে। 4টা টিমের কেউ ওই জায়গায় বসবে না, কিন্তু প্লেয়ার সব ভিতরে দিকে যায় বসে বসে কথা বলতে।
Okay, Ariana is going for it. It's a miss. Outside gets the rebound. Mavericks ball, side ball. And Ariana has the ball. In Ariana. And she loses it. The score is still 0-0. And Sabi. Still Sabi. Still Sabi. Getting defended by Ariana. Sabi, her glasses and Ariana. Jumbo, Mavericks ball. Aksara. Aksara goes for it, but it's a miss. Gets her own rebound. Pass to Ariana. Ariana goes for it, it's a miss. Sabi gets her rebound. Sabi to Fairuz. Fairuz, still Fairuz. Fairuz shoots. And Marcia gets the rebound. Nicely done by Marcia. Fairuz shoots. And it's a miss. Ariana gets the ball. 4 minutes left in this half. The score is still 0-0. These two teams are very evenly matched. Ariana goes for it. And 2 points. Mavericks 2. Mavericks 0 got the first 2 points of the finals. Fairuz, Fairuz to Sabi. Still Sabi. Still Sabi. Sabi passes to Fairuz. Still Fairuz. Getting defended by Aksara. Fairuz shoots. Marcia gets the ball. Nicely done. Marcia looking for a pass. And unfortunately it's a travel. Mavericks ball. Mavericks with a 2-point lead. Sabi with the ball. Sabi to Fairuz. Fairuz shoots. Some serious defense. 3 minutes long, 3 minutes left in this half. Fairuz gets the steal. Fairuz is going for it. Still Fairuz. And it's missed. Mavericks ball. Mavericks with the 2-point lead. Aksara with the ball. Aksara. Still Aksara. And Aksara passes it to Ariana. Ariana getting defended by fouled by Sabi. 2 free throw attempts to be taken by Ariana. Mavericks already at 2 points. Game time কত বাকি? Of this half. 2 minutes 26 seconds left in this half after the free throw. Yes, so the first one has 1 more shot. And she misses, but gets her own rebound, takes a shot, and gets 2 points. Mavericks score. Sabi, still Sabi. Still Sabi. Sabi's going for it. Oh! Mavericks ball. The score is Mavericks 4, Mavericks 0. 2 minutes left in this half. Manda with the ball. Sabi has the ball. The score is 4-0. Something. Oh, that's 2 points. That is 2. The score is 4-4. 4 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. And half time done. Half time is here. 1 minute half time.
Right, right.
Half time is done. Get back on the court. The sides will switch. The sides will switch. Both teams have 1 timeout in this half. Are there any fouls? Yes. Sabi 1 foul. Yes, we start. Another foul. That's Wasabi's second foul. Ariana gets 2 free throw attempts. The scores are tied at 4-4. Ariana will attempt 2 free throw shots. The clock has been stopped. She misses the first one, has another chance. Afterwards, the ball will be played. And she makes, no, there was a line tap. Oh, scores are still tied. This is intense. 4-4. Sabi has the ball. Sabi, still Sabi. And Sabi makes a shot. It's a miss. Marius has it. Marius passes to Sabi. Sabi takes another shot and it's a miss. Mavericks. Valkyries ball. Nice ball. Still serving. Still serving. And serving. Take the shot. 4 minutes left in this game. The scores are tied. Aksara goes for a miss. Aksara trying to take the ball past to Ariana gets the ball. Ariana goes for it. It's a miss. Sami gets the rebound. The scores are still tied. 4 and 4. Kairos. Kairos to Sabi. And Sabi. And Sabi. Sabi with all the moves of this point, but then she gets it.
I don't want to be kind anymore.
Travel by the ball.
I don't want to be kind.
Timeout called by Valkyries. 30 seconds. Timeout called by Valkyries. 3 minutes, 17 seconds left in this half. Mavericks has 1 timeout left. Sabi has 2 fouls already. We will have the senior boys game next. Timeout done. Mavericks go. And we start now. And Aksara with the ball. Aksara goes for it. And 2 points. Mavericks with the lead. 6 and 4. Mavericks 6, Valkyries 4. 3 minutes left in this game. Ariana has the ball. Mavericks with a 2-point lead. Ariana goes for it. It's a miss. Ariana with the take. Goes up. But it's another miss. And Garcia passes to Kairos. And that's a steal by Ariana. Ariana goes for the shot. It's a miss. Sabi gets the rebound. Mavericks with the 2-point lead. Less than 3 minutes to go. Ariana with the ball. Ariana takes the shot. It's a miss. Sabi gets the rebound. Oh, Sabi. Sabi goes for the shot. Gets her own rebound. Last 2 minutes left in this game. Ariana with the ball. Still Ariana. Still Ariana. Ariana goes for the layup. This time it's beautiful. That's 2 more points. Mavericks 8. Valkyries 4. Sabi with the ball. Still Sabi. Blocked by Ariana right there. Ariana with the ball. Ariana gets the shot. And 2 more points. Mavericks 10. Valkyries 4. Kairos with the ball. Still Kairos. Kairos to Sabi. Sabi takes the shot. Timeout called by Mavericks. 30 seconds. 1 minute, 2 seconds left in this game. Valkyries go. 1 minute, 2 seconds left in this game. Valkyries go.
Come on,